So grade 6, this is video number 4 part 2. This is worksheet page number 49. They said Sam and went to see a movie. It was 2 hours and 15 minutes long. The show begins at 6:50. What time will it get over? Whenever we want to know about the finish time, what I have to do, I have to add always. So my begin time, my starting point is 6:15 and the movie was 2 hours and 15 minutes long. So I have to add 2 hours and 15 minutes in this section. Then I will get a new form. 6:15 plus 2 hours and 15 minutes, it will be 8:30. So the answer is 8:30. 6 plus 2 or 8 and 15 plus 15, it will be 30. So the duration, the movie finished at 8:30. Finishing time. Time of movie. After that, they said in worksheet page number 50, Ken's school began at 7:15. He wants to reach 45 minutes before school begins so that he can play with his friend. At what time Ken should reach the school? See, now they said that Ken's school begins at 7:55. The school begins at 7:55. But he want to reach earlier. He want to reach So he want to reach 45 minutes before the school begins. So which time he must go to school, because he want to play with his fellows also. So for finding here I need to find the start time, that which time he must went to school. What will be the starting time? So I need to minus 45 minutes minus 7:55 minutes. We need to add 45 minutes. What I will do, I will subtract 45 to 55. The answer I get is 10. And in 7 or 7 minus 0, 7. I need to minus. So 7:10. He must be at school if he want to reach 45 minutes before. So the answer will be 7:10. After that, they said in page number worksheet page number 50. This work is for 8 April 2020. Andy is lined up for the first marathon. Andy is going to have a race at 5:45 a.m. The whistle blows and the race starts. So it means that 5:45 is the starting point of race. Okay, 5:45 is the starting point of race. The race begins now. Now we have to answer these questions. They said, first of all, Andy reached the first refreshment stall at 6:05 a.m. From this time to this time, he reached how long? How long he has been running? From this time to this time, they said. Andy reached the first refreshment stall at 6:05. How long he has been running? So for duration, we need to do minus, and what I will do from the starting point is, I will write here starting point 5:45. Okay, and the refreshment stall at 6:05. Now I need to find the duration. What I will do, from 5:45 to 6:05 we need to go. So now my starting point is 5:45, right? 5:45. So I will write here. And from 5:45, like I told you before, that we need to arrange this in good form. Like 5:45 to 6 o'clock. First of all, I will arrange this in OR form. I will write here 6 o'clock, 6:00. From 5:45 to 6 o'clock, how much time need to come 6 o'clock? 15 minutes only. Okay. And here from 6 to 6:05, because they said 6:05 he reached the first refreshment stall. So here from 6 o'clock to 6:05, how much time we need? Only 5 minutes. So at the end we need to add these values. 15 plus 5, how much it will be? It will be 20. So it means that he takes only 20 minutes to reach the first refreshment stall. So the answer is 20 minutes. After that he said that he reached the next refreshment stall at 6:25. Before he reached the first refreshment 6:05, but now he reached 6:25. How long it has been taking to run from first stall to the other stall? Here we need to find that how much duration how much is the duration, how much time he took from first stall to the next stall. It means we need to find first stall at 6:05. Okay, second stall at 6:25. Now find the duration from 6:05 to 6:25. Likewise, I will take this number line part. We need to find 6:05 to 6:25. We need to find. So 6:05 I will draw here. And here we can't go till 7 o'clock because we need to find only 6:25 here, small distance, right? 6:25. So how much time from 6:05 to 6:25? How much time difference between it? This one. This is only 20 minutes difference. From 6:05, if I add 20 minutes more, so it will be 6:25. Okay. 6:05 plus 20, it will be 6:25. So it means 20 minutes more. So how much duration time? 20 minutes. After that, page number 51 worksheet. In this page, they said that at 6:50 a.m. Akhil catch Andy near the 6 km mark. 6:50, one of his friend or one of his running partner catch him near the 6 km mark. How long has Andy taken to run from the first km to the race? They said indirectly that 6 km mark is at 6:50, where they catch each and everyone. Where they catch each other. Now, how long Andy takes from first time till now? So, the race starting time was 6:45, right? Here it's written. The statement I write it for you. And now the 6 km mark is at where? 6:50. So we need to find that how much time he is taking. From 5:45 to 6:50, we need to find the duration of time with the help of this number line. Okay. So I will draw here 5:45, and here we know that we need to go or it will be good for us. So 6 o'clock. From 5:45, 6 o'clock I will draw here. I will take one space. Okay. I'm just writing roughly. From 5:45 to 6 o'clock, how much time we need? 15 minutes. And they said 6:50. So from 6 o'clock to 6:50, it will be how much time? 50 minutes. Okay. So at the end we need to add these values. It will be 65 minutes, right? if I add these values. But in a clock we always have 60 minutes. So whenever there is whenever there is greater than 60, we need to minus 65 minus, like I told you before in the last videos, 60. So it will be 5. Okay, so our new minute is 5, and whenever we are subtracting, we need to add 1 in the OR hand. Here OR is 0 because there is no value in the OR hand. But whenever we are doing this minus thing and whenever our minute is greater than 60, so we need to minus, and after that when we will minus it, then we will add 1 in the OR section. So it will be 1 in the OR section and 5 in the minute section, and here I will write 0. So it means 1 OR and 5 minute. So he took 1 OR and 5 minutes to reach the first km mark. Okay. Likewise, in this question, Andy reached the 12 km mark at 7:55 am. How long he has been running? Did he run the first km of the race faster or slower than the second km of the race? We need to find the difference, that how much time he took to run from first time to first 6 km. He took 1 hour and 5 minutes. Okay, he finished the race, first km race, at 1 hour and 5 minutes. But now they said that at 12 km he came at 7:55 am. At 12 km we write here 12 km he come at 7:55, and 6 km at what time he reached? He reached at 6:50. Okay, so we need to find that how much time he took from 6 km to 12 km. From 6:50 to 7:55, how much time he took. So for this I will draw here again the number line. From 6:50 if I will do like this, from 6:50 to 7:50, it will be how much time? 1 hour. Better to count 1 hour, easy for us. Okay, from 6:50 to 7:50, it was 1 o'clock means 1 hour, and we need to find till 7:55. And from 7:50 to 7:55, it is 5 minutes. I mean here it is 5 minutes. So while adding both of these, how much we got? 1 plus 5 means 1 hour. 1 will come in the hour section and 5 minutes. So my overtime is 1 hour and 5 minutes. So Andy reached 12 km at the same time as he reached 6 km. It's same, not too much slow, not too much fast. After this we need to find how much time also. There are two questions. How much time he took from first starting point till now. The starting point is 5:45 and the 12k mark is 7:55. We need to find the duration. So we will use the number line also like this. 5:45 to 6:45, it's 1 o'clock. From 6:45 7:45 also 2 hour will come, and from 7:45 till 7:55 it is 10 minutes. So while adding 2 hour and 10 minutes, so it means 2 hour and 10 minutes he took. Okay, so this is the end of the video for parts. So worksheet page number 46 to 51, outcomes. That's it. Practice well. Have a nice day. Thank you.